Thanks for watching this short video on the things to consider if you're considering getting a bad credit payday loan. Basically, this is just a type of loan that's issued by an institution that is not a bank to help people with bad credit get through to the next payday. They're made payable on payday, so as soon as you get your paycheck deposited, the deduction is made and the lender recovers their money. So all you're really required to do to get a payday loan is to fill out a very simple form and specify like all your personal and bank details so that they can issue the loan for the amount that they're comfortable lending you. And the thing that is kind of the drawback to this kind of loan is really the high interest rate, because if you look at the interest rates, they can be as much as 600% APR. Granted, you're only borrowing it for a month, but interest rates like that are still pretty staggering if you actually sit down and look at them. And there are plenty of companies online that will issue these loans, but you have to watch out. If you're shopping online, they'll hit you up with extra fees, and again, interest rates are very high. And the ones that seem to offer lower interest rates are especially worth paying attention to the fine print, because usually if it sounds too good to be true, then it is. And they actually prey on people with bad credit, because what they'll do is they'll actually take advantage of the fact that you have bad credit, and they know that you won't take any risk to damage it further by not paying, so they'll charge you a huge interest rate and you will have to pay because your credit's already so bad. That's why they get into the business to begin with. So definitely pay attention to all the specific terms and conditions, to read through them before you sign up for the loan, and you will be given a loan right away. They're not a bad idea, but what you should watch out for are some of the pitfalls and like I just described that come with them. You don't want to get in a trap where you're constantly paying off payday loans. That's what happens to a lot of people, and it's a disaster if you don't handle it correctly. And that's exactly what some of these companies want to happen, because that's how they make their money. And it would also damage your credit greatly if you don't pay them. So the best advice is to use them only when you have to, and definitely find some other better solution to your money problems. Don't just rely on payday loans. If you want to read the rest of this article and find a little bit more, you can go to findbadcreditpaydayloan.com. That's the website, or you can just click the link at the top of this video. And if you want to learn more about managing your own credit, go to mycreditlocker.com. Or if you're just interested in protecting yourself from identity theft and you want to get some insurance in that regard, check out scoredriven.com.